The gyro's really helping with this. Dom here from Essential RC with my friend Trev on camera from Flying Fin RC. We've got the TopRC Hobby AT6. This is their latest WARBIRD, and I've flown their Corsair and their P51, and I have to say they're both excellent. Again, these are great models if you want to try flying RC and have not done it before, because on the transmitter you've got a beginner mode, and it really does limit what you can do while enabling you to control the aeroplane quite capably. And also it's got a mid which I use a lot, and an expert mode where it turns off the stabilization, the gyro altogether. So this one does literally come with everything that you need in the box to fly it. You get the transmitter, the plane, you get 2 batteries, you get the recharge lead, the USB lead to charge those batteries, and you get the AA's for the transmitter. So you've literally got everything in the one box. So I've charged up. What we need to do first is turn on the radio. Done that, you notice the light flashes on the radio. And then we plug in the battery. So there's a little catch at the front. Do that carefully. And fish out that lead. Plug that in like that. Put the battery in. And the battery goes straight in actually in this case, which is good. Sometimes it's a bit of a tight fit. And then be careful with the catch, make sure that's secure, and there we are, we're ready to go. I should mention this does come with fixed landing gear, which, you know, if you won't be able to take off grass with those wheels because they are very small, but if you're flying off pavement, tarmac, asphalt, then it wouldn't be a problem. So I've left those off. Let's fly this and see how it goes. Ready, Trevor?
Yeah. I just say it looks really nice. I like that.
Nice yellow scheme. I think it comes in white and blue as well. If you look at the box, is it yellow on that side?
Yeah. Oh, and then you've got the other colour.
Blue and white on that side.
I definitely liking the yellow.
Yeah,
smart.
It should be very high visibility, shouldn't it? So on the transmitter you go up down on the left stick and it arms the motor. So you can't do that accidentally. Ready? Here we go. You can see the gyro working. I've got it in mid mode. So in beginner mode it gives me about that much bank angle, about that much in mid mode. Here we go. All right. Oh, you can't miss it, can you, Trev?
No, it's nice and bright.
Very bright. You can see it being knocked around by the wind, and the gyro's trying its best to cancel that out. So, now what it's also got is an aerobatics button, because it'd be nice if you could do loops and rolls, right? So let's do this. So carry on there.
Oh, that's a roll.
Whoa! Stalled. Hold on. Oh, dear. Okay, so I think that was probably my fault. I overcorrected coming out of the loop. Here we go. Alright, so I was demonstrating the aerobatics button. So that was a roll. Don't know if you got that.
Yeah, that was more axial than the first one.
That was good axial roll, that.
Yeah. On the other way.
Wow. Come round. And again. And I'm going to try, against my better judgment, I'm going to try a loop. And there's a loop. Hooray! Flying again. Look at that, cruises around really nicely.
Not a lot of throttle either from the sound
no,
of
that's
it.
about half throttle with this. Ailerons. Shouldn't be hard to track it, Trevor. It is bright yellow.
Yeah.
Oh! God. So there we go. That's the AT6 from our friends at TopRC. Have to say that is a brilliant scheme. I definitely wouldn't go for the white one. Imagine that against the clouds. It would just disappear. So really like that. The combination of the flight modes and with the aerobatic buttons, so you can do loops and rolls automatically, and it is pretty resilient. I've hit the ground a couple of times really hard and it's still flying. So thanks for watching. Link for this is in the video description and the pinned comment. Thanks to Trevor on camera. Be back soon on Essential RC. Bye everybody. Woohoo!